Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Circle. Hi. I'm Circle. I'm round like the sun, and I roll around for fun. Square. Hello. I'm square. I have 4 sides, all the same, like a window frame. Triangle. Hi. I'm triangle. I have 3 sides, like a pizza slice, nice and bright. Rectangle. Hey. I'm rectangle. I'm tall and long, like a door or a school bus strong. Oval. Hi. I'm oval. I'm smooth and wide, like an egg or a balloon that can glide. Star. Twinkle, twinkle. I'm star. You see me shining from afar. Heart. Hello. I'm heart. I'm full of love right from the start. Crescent. Hi. I'm Crescent. I shine at night, like the moon, soft and bright.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.